Do you want to know how to go from this to this and stop straining your eyes from the bright screen when you open Google Docs? Well, it's simple to achieve. Your eyes, where the screen shines too brightly when you open Google Docs. Well, this is really easy to do. I'm just going to leave a link in the description from my website, which will take you directly to this extension. It's a dark mode extension for Google Docs. So I'm going to uninstall it and watch what happens. Here I have the Google Docs page. I'll update it. This is how it would normally look. But if I come here and add this extension and click to add the extension, it automatically loads in. Also automatically, the document changes and everything switches to dark mode. And this way you can regain your vision and stop damaging your eyes in front of this kind of stuff.